All right, judges, let's dive right into this explainer of the Kipu Lux business pitch. Imagine a world where the authenticity of literally every premium luxury asset is instantly verifiable and completely unquestionable. Well, that's exactly what we're looking at with Kipu Lux. What we're pitching today is the ultimate B2B cryptographic infrastructure solution custom-built for the global luxury market. We're talking about a system that doesn't just digitize authenticity, it actually creates a highly secure, autonomous digital passport for high-end goods.
Because let's face it, the industry is dealing with a massive problem right now. Counterfeiting is driving multi-billion-dollar losses globally. And staggeringly, if you look at the data, clothing, footwear, and leather goods account for a massive 62% of all counterfeit products seized. This issue is especially brutal in Latin America's premium sectors. This isn't just some minor operational friction we're talking about. It is a massive hemorrhage of capital and brand equity.
And honestly, that hemorrhaging of brand equity gets even worse in the booming secondary market. Why? Because of a massive trust gap. The second a luxury product walks out of the original store, the brand loses almost all traceability. Poof, gone. The current solutions out there, like your basic static QR codes or vulnerable Web 2 registries, they're manual, they're centralized, and they are incredibly susceptible to fraud. The secondary market is actually growing faster than the primary one, but it is fundamentally bottlenecked by this total lack of secure, auditable trust.
So how do we fix it? Kipu Lux solves this at an architectural, scientific level. Instead of relying on expensive human oversight or those vulnerable centralized databases we just talked about, we deploy Kipu Lux agents. These are persistent, autonomous AI agents, and they actually have their own economic identity and digital wallet deployed directly on the ZKS L2 blockchain network. By doing this, Kipu Lux eliminates the need for centralized validators entirely. It delivers instant, immutable public attestations of authenticity. It's truly next level.
Now, you might be wondering, okay, how does the customer actually interact with this highly advanced blockchain tech? It is beautifully simple. There are zero crypto hurdles for the end user. The physical product is equipped with an encrypted Wi-Fi or NFC seal. A buyer just turns on their smartphone's payment feature and taps the embedded seal. That's it. Just a tap. It's an incredibly seamless bridge between the physical luxury item and its digital passport.
Let's break down exactly what happens in the background during that quick tap. It's a three-step process. Step 1, the luxury item is manufactured with the Kipu Lux NFC chip already inside. Step 2, the user taps their smartphone to the item. And Step 3, the ZKYS AI agent instantly reads this interaction and verifies the metadata on-chain. This automated interaction securely binds the physical product to its digital identity, utilizing the uncompromising security of Bitcoin coupled with the high-speed scalability of the ZKYS L2 network.
But look, groundbreaking tech needs a scalable business model to survive, right? To be a true enterprise solution, we operate on three distinct, highly sustainable revenue streams. First up, B2B setup fees. This is the white label integration costs for brands to adopt the protocol and those NFC chips. Second, paper verification, basically authenticity as a service, which generates microtransactions for every single on-chain query. And third, agent sustainability, where brokers maintain their own token balances to cover network gas and computational costs 24/7.
And this builds into the absolute holy grail for luxury brands: active resale royalties. This is how we capture that secondary market value they're currently missing out on entirely. Kipu Lux utilizes automated escrow contracts to unlock these active resale royalties, meaning every single time that luxury item changes hands in the secondary market, the original brand receives a traceable, automated royalty payment. We are literally transforming secondary transfers into a brand new, sustainable revenue stream. It's an absolute game changer.
So, is this just a whiteboard concept? Absolutely not. To validate both the technology and the market fit, Kipu Lux already has an active partnership and an operational proof of concept with Aldia. Now, Aldia is a premium Peruvian quiet luxury brand specializing in leather goods established way back in 1972. This real-world implementation proves, for sure, that this white-label B2B service is a highly scalable protocol and it is completely ready for the global luxury market right now.
Let's quickly look at our aggressive roadmap. Phase 0, which covers definitions and testing, is already complete. Today, for this hackathon, we are in Phase 1, validating the agent logic on ZK-SYS. Next up, Phase 2, we deploy the AI agent and wallet to the ZK-SYS testnet, scheduling those crucial escrow contracts. And finally, we deliver the operational MVP, a smart custody protocol ready for full white label integration for the Peruvian market and beyond.
So we've seen the multi-billion-dollar problem, the seamless physical to digital AI solution on ZKSYS, the sustainable revenue model, and the real-world validation. The secondary luxury market is desperately waiting for a trustless, automated standard. So my final question for you judges today is this. Are you ready to back the Qipu Luxe vision, eradicate counterfeiting, and completely revolutionize the secondary luxury market? I mean, think about the massive implications of turning every luxury product into its own autonomous economic agent. What luxury item would you want cryptographically secured first?